So, when I say capital light, every business needs certain amount of investment to start their particular business, right? Now, if you think about the conventional thought, there are three concepts which everyone tells you, which you would have heard a lot of old, I would say relatively old people, mentioning about roti, kapda, and makan. These are the three most conventional businesses of sorts which have given employment to thousands of people across the world, and not thousands, I would say millions of people across the world, in fact billions to be precise. And while I talk about, kapada and makan, which is real estate and the garment industry, it is still a relatively high capital intensive business, because you need to actually invest massively into infrastructure. You need to invest in stocks and so on and so forth. Now, when we talk about the food industry, the beauty is what, that in today's time, the capital requirement for, or the investment requirement for a business has really come down due to the beauty of catering and cloud kitchens. Because of which, what has happened is that you can start your business in as less than 50,000 rupees, going up to, whatever the sky is the limit. But it is given the democratic right to a lot of people to start their business from the comfort of their homes. There is no other business opportunity right now which I can see, which is being, which a person can start with such a minimal investment and actually build a fortune around that. So that's why I said it's a very capital light, asset light, wherein which you don't need to really invest into assets, kind of a business which anyone can start. So that's why, like I said, it's an unprecedented time, but like I said, the opportunity which it brings is huge for a lot of people. Yeah.